Alright, hey, what is good, you guys? I hope everybody's having a good day. First things first, before I start the video, I really hope that everybody is being super safe with all this coronavirus stuff going on. Honestly, it's a super dark time, and it's a super, time where all the morales are at an all-time low, and I just hope that you guys are staying uplifted, you guys are staying positive, and you guys know that sooner or later, it's gonna be over. So one of the things that I've seen a lot of people practicing is wearing face masks. And now face masks, although it doesn't prevent coronavirus, it's good for preventing the transmission of, symptoms of coronavirus, which is like coughing and sneezing and stuff like that. Some of us may actually have access to those N95 looking masks. Some of them don't have access, so we use scarves or we use different things to protect our face. Well, I actually saw a tutorial online, and it was basically a really cool tutorial about how to turn a Nike sock into a Nike face mask. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna have any crazy health benefits or it's gonna prevent the coronavirus or anything like that. I basically saw a tutorial online, and I want to show you guys how to do it because I think that, if you don't have a mask or if you don't have anything to protect your face at that time and you're stepping out, this might be a great tutorial for you guys. I also think that this is a great activity that you can do with your kids, you can do with your family, with your girlfriend. So, I figured I'd show you guys because I'm like the DIY king. Not really, I suck at DIYs. Before we start the video, like always, make sure you guys go down there and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said earlier, basically the whole point of this tutorial is that we are going to take these Nike socks right here, and from the Nike socks we're going to be able to make a face mask. I didn't invent this. I actually saw it on Instagram, and I thought it'd be a great way to share to the people on my platform and tell you guys about what this, quarantine hack really is. So again, I did not create this, but let's try to do it. Ooh, look at this really DIY view I got going on right here. Alright guys, so for this tutorial we're only going to need two different things. The first thing that we're going to need right here is a pair of scissors. Now this is a more heavy duty pair of scissors that you can actually cut fabric with, so we're going to need a pair of scissors. And the last thing that you guys are going to need are some Nike socks. So these are just regular Nike dry fit socks, and yeah, these are the two things that we're going to need for this tutorial. So now that you guys have the two materials that you guys need, you got the Nike sock as well as you got your scissors. It's a super simple process, so let's go through it. Basically what you want to do is you want to take one of the two Nike socks. With the scissors, you want to kind of perfectly map out so that the swoosh is kind of in the center. So my face is a little bit bigger because, I got that big nose, but basically what I want to do is I think that I'm going to cut around right about here. So what you want to do is you want to cut. Once you cut, you're able to discard this part of the sock. Now that you guys have the top part of the sock, what you guys want to do is kind of have the swoosh in the off center, because where you cut right now is going to be where it attaches to your ears. So you want to kind of have the swoosh on the off center, and you want to cut directly vertical on this right here. Now that you guys have cut and you have this full piece of fabric like this, what you want to do is you want to fold the Nike sock in half, and you want to add two insertions or two slits on the sides right here. Basically what these will be is these are the connectors that we are going to connect onto our ears afterwards. So we're going to take two different slits. I think for the slits I'm going to go about halfway. If I need more, I'm going to cut it afterwards, but I don't want to cut too much off the bat. And for here we'll go about halfway, and there you guys have it. You have your Nike face mask right there. So let's see how this one actually looks on face, and let's see. Okay guys, so after that little tutorial, the final product of what we came up with looks exactly like this. So it's basically a piece of fabric with two little slots for our ears, as well as the Nike swooshes on top. This is made completely out of a Nike sock, and I think that is a pretty dope idea, and I think it's a pretty genius idea. Let me show you guys what this looks like on face. So guys, on face it actually looks like this, and I don't think that it looks too bad. Did our DIY work? I don't know, you guys let me in the comments below, let me know. So yeah guys, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the DIY worked or not? Honestly, I think the only problem for me is that my face is a little bit big, so what happens is that the sock is too small. So you might need like a bigger size sock if you have a bigger size face like myself. But honestly, I think that at the end of the day, if you don't have a mask, or if there's no access to masks that you have, this is probably a great alternative for you to use. Honestly, I think that this is a great customization opportunity for your kids as well. So if you guys want to tie-dye these, if you guys want to make them cool, you can honestly, just uplift the mood a little bit during this quarantine season. And yeah. But yeah guys, that was basically my tutorial. I wanted to try to show you guys a fun little activity that you guys can do with your kids, do with your family, or even do by yourself during this quarantine. And at the end of the day, just remember that this will be over soon. Just take care, be safe, stay inside, and make make some Nike masks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Hopefully this tutorial maybe inspired you to go make some masks yourself, or it just gave you a good comedic laugh because your boy can't do DIYs. So either way, I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 1, 2, later.